So, are you gonna invite me in? This dildo who's been dating my mom and now he's moving in with us.
It'll be better than you think, Chloe. You'll see what a stable home can be like. Hey!
We can figure all of that out. There is no home. Not if he's there.
Chloe.
I can't go home anymore. Is this junkyard all I've got left?
Bryce, it's Frank.
I've got a little job for you. I'm taking you to Blackwell. Find the money, and I'll meet you to pick it up.
If I do this, then we're good? No!
We gotta go.
Talk to me, Chloe.
I know I fucked up. I know you, and I know what you're capable of. Everything's been magical since we started hanging out. Don't you just feel like everything's possible? How do you know which way is up when your whole life has been turned upside down?
Who are you?